Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetShoot.com and today we are going to do the full review of Samsung Galaxy Note 3. This is the latest flagship tablet from Samsung, which is pretty big in size in terms of the form factor, I would say. But talking about the features of this phone is actually very good in day-to-day usage. It can be used by anyone out there. It can be used by a business consumer, it can be used by an average consumer. It has a lot of things to offer as far as features are concerned. You do have a magnetic S Pen as well, which comes with this device so that you can be more creative. You can do a lot of things on this device with this S Pen. So we are going to talk a lot about this device in this review. Now here we have the Note 3, and Samsung has actually done a very good thing on this device as far as the build quality is concerned, that they have actually added a leather-like back cover on this device. However, this back cover is not leather, but they have actually changed the approach as far as the plastic back covers which we have seen earlier on other Samsung phones. So this phone as of now has a pretty good build quality. You have a nice shiny chrome grille which is actually kind of metal, which hold the display and the body of the phone together very tightly. So there is no problem as far as the build quality is concerned. The build quality has been enhanced on the Note 3. And apart from the build quality, if we take a look over the form factor, because this device has a pretty big display, that is 5.7 inch to be very precise. But considering this device has a pretty big display, it is definitely a little bit difficult to hold in one hand. But Samsung has provided some features like one-handed operation, so that you can actually use the touchscreen on this device even with one hand. You can actually slide the screen towards the left or towards the right, and you do have some options as far as one-handed operation is concerned for the phone dialer, for the messaging application, for the keyboard. Everything is there, so again that won't be an issue. Talking about the hardware of this device has one of the latest hardware which we have seen. Again, you won't get the Snapdragon 800 chipset, at least in the Indian version, but on the Indian version you will have the octa-core version which is available. This one is also pretty good in terms of the overall performance, so there is no problem as far as performance of this device is concerned. As far as gaming is concerned, all the games play just fine. There might be some heavy graphic intensive game which might show a little bit of a graphic glitch at times, but in all, the overall performance of this device is, as far as gaming is concerned or multimedia is concerned, is very good. One more thing which I really like about this device is the big display, because when it comes to multimedia, when it comes to watching videos and consuming any kind of entertainment stuff including gaming as well, this device is really good value for money. Because of the big display, you get to see all the movies which you have on the device. We can actually transfer the movies to the device memory. It has a 16 GB inbuilt memory, out of which around 13 GB is actually available to the user, which is again pretty good. But you do have support for micro SD memory card. You also have support for OTG, so you can plug an USB pen drive with this device and you can watch the videos. If you have any movies in that pen drive, you can actually watch those movies from the pen drive connected to this device with an OTG cable. It has got a battery of around 3200 mAh, which is definitely sufficient to give you around 2 days of battery backup if you are not a heavy user. Even if you play games a lot, then you can actually do gaming on this device as well, then you can still expect a 1 day of battery backup on this device, which is again pretty good. So in terms of the overall battery backup, this device is good. In terms of the features, if I talk about as far as S Pen is concerned, because you get a magnetic S Pen on this device with which you can actually do a lot of things. We have done a separate video in which we have highlighted some of the S Pen features. So with S Pen you can actually do a lot of things on this device, like noting down a number. Even if you are on a voice call, you can actually note down the number on this device with the S Pen. You can note different other things. You can annotate on the screen. You can take screenshot on the device, and then you can later on add information on it and send it via email or chat, whatever you would like to. So in terms of the day-to-day usage, this is going to help you with a lot of things by providing some extra features which you might not have imagined. When it comes to a smartphone, you can do a lot more things on this device. So this cannot be only a smartphone. This has to be a smartphone plus a tablet, because you will get a tablet kind of experience with the 5 5.7-inch display. So in all, this is a complete value for money device. It will, in all, I would like to conclude this review, and I would like to say this device is really good value for money. So in case you are looking for a phone which should not only give you the features of a phone, but it should give you all the kind of entertainment and multimedia experience you are looking at as far as the smartphones is concerned, you can actually go for the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 from us. So that's all from us as far as the full review of the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 is concerned. I really like this device. I have been using this device for like more than 2 months now, and this device is really good value for money. Although this one is kind of pricey, it will come for a price of around 45 to 50,000 Indian rupees, but it does justify that price, and you get the kind of features you are looking for with that particular amount of price which you will pay for it. So that's all from us. Do let us know if you have any specific question for this device. We would love to help you. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.